Good morning. I hope you guys enjoyed the majestic shots with the drone and the time lapse. Today is the 1st of August, new day, new month and a new country. Now I am going to go downhill with a bicycle to see Monaco. This is the view of Monaco now in the morning, like around 10 o'clock. This is where the country starts, where the border starts, and it ends up, I think, where the skyscrapers are, or maybe at that beach. I am now done with this place. I pitched up my tent right here, the only grass patch that you can even find. This is the last time I see Monaco from above, most likely. Very beautiful. Okay, let's ride. See you on the way downhill and in Monaco, baby. Okay guys, I am right now basically at the border. Oh look, here is the border. Look, police. Wow, look at this. I just crossed now into Monaco, guys. Just now. I am inside the city. Well, inside the country. Or am I? Or am I not? Let's see. Wait a second, I have to see with this guy if I can pass. Oh no, the border is coming right now. Hey, where is the border though? I'm really curious. Excuse me? Can I go with the bicycle?
Yes, yes.
Monaco with the bicycle, it's okay?
Yes, mais il faut qu'il aille à droite après vous descendre. On the right after the gallery.
Okay, I have to go the right. Okay, okay, merci beaucoup. And now, no bicycles allowed there, but I have to go there. Well, let's go. I guess this is the road. I hope this is the road. Yep, that was right. Gosh, it's so hard to even stop somewhere. Finally. Oh my gosh. It took a freaking while to come here. Okay, I managed. I arrived in the freaking port. I was up there, right there next to this white dot, the view that I had before over the port, and now it's completely different. I am in Monaco, guys. Oh my gosh, with the bicycle from Germany. That's just freaking insane. Look at some of the yachts. Wow. It's mental. But now it's time to go to the real big port, where the real big yachts are, or much more than this. I have to ride 2 kilometers. I hope not too much through tunnels, but we see. Let's go! Now we go to the casino, Monte Carlo Casino. That's the last check on the list. I have to turn around actually. Oh, like that. Okay, that's also good. No freaking way. Bugatti shops. What? Okay, let's see if I can enter from the left. Okie dokie. Wow. Okay, nice. Okay, so I think this is it. The big players here. Woo! Okay, no bicycles allowed. No problem. Go off the bike and we walk. So this is inside the casino in Monte Carlo, but it's just the entrance though, because the casino, the original casino, is inside there, but you cannot enter without a ticket. You have to buy a ticket to enter there. But yeah, this is as much as I could show you. Forza Italia. Look at this. This is Monte Carlo Casino, and what cars do we have in front of the parking lot? So we have an Aston Martin, a freaking Ferrari, a Mini, another Aston Martin, we have a Mercedes, we have a Lamborghini, a freaking Bentley, and again an Aston Martin, a Range Rover. Yeah, that's pretty much here at Hotel de Paris, in close to the Casino Monte Carlo in Monaco. Yes guys, if you want to see more from my crazy adventure trip with a bicycle and with a paraglider through Europe, make sure to subscribe and like this video. I appreciate it. Okie dokie, it's time now to say goodbye to Monaco and Casino Monte Carlo and all this beautiful rich place and head back to Nice, and from there I continue my journey through the Côte d'Azur. So after I left the casino, I just followed this blue line, which was indicated by my GPS, and right here was the first tunnel that I had to enter. And this is the entrance of the tunnel, and you can see that I am trying to head to Nice, and that's actually the proper way, the way the GPS sends me to. There was another way which was much longer, so I didn't want to take that one. Therefore I kept on riding, cycling this road, which was like a short tunnel, and I came out on the other side of the tunnel, but being faced with yet another one, also heading to Nice. I am giving you a 360 degrees view around the entrance of the tunnel, so it's looking pretty sketchy and pretty weird, to be honest, to be on a bike fully loaded having to enter in such a tunnel. So that was just the entrance. Now I'm zooming out, and you can notice here this elongated bend in the street. This is basically how the tunnel has been built, and I had no idea, because my GPS was just partially working, that that's how the road looks like. It was about 2.5 kilometers long, and this is the exit of it. It's looking again quite nice to be out of the tunnel after riding inside for a while, and that's how it's looking inside the tunnel. As you can see, there is the bend showing to the left, the curvature of the tunnel, and I was really hot and sweating, not knowing when it's over. Now coming out of the tunnel, finally, I kept on following this road until I found this bend right there in the street, in a bit of a shadow, because I was cooking my brains out. Thanks a lot for the attention. Now let's go back to the video. I managed to find a shadow here. I thought I'm going to faint. From Monaco to Nice, it's like 350 meters climb, but without warning it just starts through the tunnel. Oh my god. I have another 150. I hope it's not going to be that brutal like yesterday. Oh, let's go. I finally finished now the climb up 360 meters. Oh my gosh, look at this. What goes up must come down. This is the same hill that I started to climb up yesterday on my journey to the viewpoint over Monaco. And I just remember being on the other lane and sweating, and now going down. Yes guys, this is the beach in Nice. Freaking crazy packed. Look at the amount of people there. And I also try to navigate with one hand through the crowd. Look how many people. Let me know in the comment section which beaches have you visited before and there were more people than this. I mean, personally I've never been somewhere where there were so many people, because I like to go in more secluded places. That's why for me it's like a big thing. I am now, I would say 10 or 15 kilometers out of Nice. I still have maybe 20 to reach Cannes, which is again a very popular destination. Maybe you've heard about the movie awards from Cannes. I found my rhythm. I drink a lot of water. It's very hot, but thank God you get the breeze from the sea. I just made a short break now at the supermarket once again. I was really thirsty, and I am still thirsty. I bought myself so much water. It's unbelievable how much more water I'm drinking in comparison to Switzerland. So yeah, keep on pushing now. That was a good break. I arrived in Cannes, guys. Another destination. I'm really happy to be now here. I asked at this bar if I can swim here, but this is private. But 5 minutes down the road there is a beach and also showers outside, so let's head there. Finally arrived at the beach, the public beach. I took off my pants, my socks, my shoes, and I'm going to go now in the water. For the first time I'm going to jump now in the sea. I jumped in Switzerland before in a lake, but this is the first time. And yeah, I'm going to leave my stuff here. I cannot really do much about that. I will just have a nice dip, maybe for like 5 minutes, go at the showers, and then come back. It's 6 o'clock now, and this is the best sun to not burn myself and to also enjoy to the fullest, you know, the water. My bike is right there. Whew, feels good. It feels good. I'm alone in France. I'm every time fascinated when I think about the fact that I rode the bike till here. No plane ticket, no car, no motorbike, no boat, and it feels amazing. I bring the GoPro now back to the bicycle and I jump a bit more, have a bit more fun, and then I will keep on riding. And as usual, I want to remind you to subscribe. If you enjoy these vlogs, let me know in the comments how you find this trip so far. I'm now done with the beach here in Cannes. I flew the drone around, I jumped in the water. It was an amazing experience, especially to cool down after such a strenuous day. I even changed my clothes now. I can also maybe ride without having the long stuff on because the sun is going down, so it's going to be a chill ride. But now I have to hurry up and try to look for a place to sleep because I have maybe 1 hour of sunlight. It's harder than I expected to find a place to sleep here. Not many times happened already to be so late and to not have a place to sleep. It's already 9 o'clock. Yeah, I have to keep on pushing to find one. I'm not sure where I'm going to find it, but who knows, I might not find it at all. That's also a possibility.
If you like to follow my cycling and paragliding adventures and find out what happened next, please make sure to subscribe and hit a like on this video. If you thought that the riding experience in the extreme heat and through the tunnels was pretty rough, wait until you see the next episode. Thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next one.